Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken. We will begin by covering the absolute basics of movement and attacking. You will learn how to block incoming attacks to protect yourself and how to perform simple 3-hit combos. We will also touch upon the powerful rage arts, which can turn the tide of a match in your favor. Next, let's dive into the core combat mechanics. Mastering movement is crucial for positioning and evading. You will learn to block both high and low attacks, which is essential for solid defense. Sidestepping is a powerful tool to avoid linear attacks and create openings for your own offense. Finally, we will cover how to use throws to break through an opponent's guard. Now, let's explore offensive and defensive strategies. It is vital to mix up your attacks to keep your opponents guessing and prevent them from predicting your moves. Learn to punish your opponent's missed attacks with quick, damaging combos. We will also discuss utilizing the heat system for aggressive pressure and understanding your character's unique strengths and weaknesses. Finally, let's talk about practice and continuous improvement. Dedicate time in practice mode to refine your techniques and combos. Watching replays of your matches is an excellent way to identify areas where you can improve. Experiment with different characters to find one that truly suits your playstyle. Then, engage in online matches to test your skills against other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.